Hi, I'm Shirley from Apt, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a delicious beef with broccoli dish using the Cuisinart 4-cup rice cooker and the Breville ThermoPro electric skillet. But before we get started, I'm going to give you a quick overview of both of these items. First, we'll start with our rice cooker. This 4-cup rice cooker is compact enough to be tucked away inside most cabinets, yet its stainless steel housing and cool touch chrome-plated handles allow it to look best sitting on a countertop. It has 2 heat settings with indicator lights that let you know what cooking mode you're in. It comes with 1 non-stick cooking bowl, a steaming tray that allows you to steam a variety of foods while your rice is cooking, a glass lid with steam vent, a rice measuring cup, a rice paddle to protect the bowl's non-stick surface, and a recipe book. So now we're going to get started making our rice. And what's nice about this unit is that the recipe book included has a rice guide that lets you know the exact amount of rice needed to get perfectly cooked rice every time. Now, because this unit doesn't have an on-off switch, we'll need to add our rice and water before we plug the unit in to power it on. For this recipe, I'm using long grain white rice, and I'm going to serve 6, which requires me to use 3 rice cooker cups of rice and 3 standard measurement cups of water, which should reach the fill line at 3. I'm also going to add a little olive oil to my rice, and then cover with the lid, and plug it in. Now this unit will automatically go into warm mode once it's plugged in, so you'll need to set it to the cook position by pressing the switch down. The cook LED light will let you know that the unit is now cooking. You should not remove the lid once the unit starts. Once the rice is done, the unit will automatically switch back to the warm setting. But you will need to keep the lid on and let the rice sit covered for an additional 5 to 10 minutes longer. Once it's done, unplug the unit to power it off to prevent your rice from steaming any further. So now we'll take a look at our electric skillet. The exterior is constructed of aluminum that's bonded to stainless, which gives it optimal heat retention. The 6-quart non-stick cooking surface delivers 1,800 watts of power evenly throughout the entire surface. It has a detachable, adjustable thermostat with 14 heat settings that allow you to go from warm to sear. And the see-through glass lid is vented, guaranteeing optimum results while steaming. So now we're going to get started making our beef with broccoli. And I've already prepared everything for the making of this video, but if you'd like a copy of the recipe that we used, check out the description below. The first thing we'll need to do is power the unit on and set the dial to 12. While it's heating, we'll add our oil. Once the oil starts to shimmer, we'll add our broccoli florets, stirring frequently for about 3 to 6 minutes. This will depend on the size of your florets and how firm you like your broccoli. But keep in mind, we'll be adding it to the meat once it's done browning, so you will need to have some level of firmness left in your broccoli. Once the broccoli is done, remove it from the skillet, then add your beef with half of the sauce mixture. Cook until no longer pink. Once your meat is browned, add your cooked broccoli and the remaining sauce mixture and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, then power the unit off. So now you can put everything together like I have, or serve it separately. Either way, it's definitely a dish you'll try again. To learn more about rice cookers, electric skillets, and many other items from our gourmet shop, visit us at apt.com and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel.